friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj, ex-TGT English, Navodaya Samiti, with the parts of speech. I am here with the parts of speech to learn, to understand. Okay, here is a speech. Raina is playing Kho in her garden. It is a sentence or speech statement given, written on this blackboard, whiteboard. Raina is playing Kho in her garden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 words are here brought together, giving, conveying full meaning. Okay, so what is the place of Raina in this sentence? Place of playing. Okay, what it is? Let us understand. Let us know. Each and every part is very important in this structure, in this sentence, in this speech. Okay, each and every one is a part of this speech. Garden, part of this speech. Her, part of this speech. In, part of this speech. Next example also has been given here, written here. So these now are 8. These are 8 in number in English. These parts are known as noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. There are 8 words in English. These are the parts of speech. First comes, that is noun. Noun means naming word. In any speech, any expression or sentence or structure or speech, if any is naming word, any word that is naming word, and that naming word, that is the name of a person or place or thing. Naming word such as Rani, Agra, Rani, name of person, Agra, name of place, ring, name of thing, goodness, name of condition, name of poverty, name of situation, condition, army, civics, Ganga, Alps, India, Gita, May, June, July, Indian Ocean, sickness, board, chair, etc. These are the names of person, place, or things. Name of a person, name of a place, name of thing or things. These are nouns. Okay, dear. Example here. Raina is playing Kho in her garden. Noun, Raina noun, Kho noun, garden noun. So these are nouns. Second comes pronoun. Pronoun means pro plus noun. Pro means in place of noun. Suppose you forget the name of Raina. Okay. Yeah, in place of Raina, any word is used here. Suppose Raina is playing Kho in her garden. It is for Raina, her pronoun. She. In place of Raina, she. She pronoun, her pronoun. Okay. And where is your pen? Tumhari. Maybe your name may be, okay, your pronoun. I pronoun. Pronoun. I, me, my, you, yours, he, his, him, okay, she, her, they, them, their, it, we, our, us, mine, ours, theirs, us, this, that, those, who, what, which, any, many, some. Okay, these are the pronouns. Okay, there are so many pronouns in English. Let us learn, let us use. In further next videos you will learn, you will study. Next comes adjective. Adjective means qualifying word. Qualifying qualifies noun or pronoun. नाउन या प्रोनाउन को क्वालिफाई करता है, नाउन संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता बतलाता है, वह एडजेक्टिव कहलाता है. एडजेक्टिव दैट इज क्वालिफाइंग वर्ड, क्वालिफाइज नाउन और प्रोनाउन. ओके, कैसे? गुड, स्वीट, पुअर, सम, टॉल, इंडियन, any, little, one, two, this, that, each, every, either, neither, whose, which, what, etc. These are the words to qualify noun or pronoun. Example here, she is a very wise girl. लड़की कैसी है? Just before girl, it is noun. Just before noun, wise. This wise word qualifies girl. ये girl की wise विशेषता बतलाता है, बुद्धिमान है. ओके, बुद्धिमान है ये. यहाँ books है. I have so many books. ये books से ठीक पहले मीनिंग लगा है और ये मीनिंग बुक्स की को क्वालिफाई करता है. इन दिस वे, sweet, good, sweet, poor, some, tall, Indian, any, little, one, two, etc. These are the means adjectives. There is a large number of adjectives in your English. We will learn, you will use, we will understand under this unit or topic. Verb. Verb, that is finite verb. Finite verb. Talking about finite verb, saying word or doing word. Okay. जितना भी दुनिया में आज कार्य है, क्रिया होता, आना जाना, खाना पीना, सोना बैठना, these are the means verbs. Okay, finite verbs. Saying word or doing word. Read, write, place, run, help, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, etc. These are the verbs, finite verbs. And here, in example, in this structure, in this sentence, is playing. Raina is playing. Playing here, now, verb. यहाँ पर क्या काम हो रहा है? खेलना. Okay, she is, वह है, is, now, verb. Where is, verb. I have, verb. There are so many verbs you can use, okay, in English, in a sentence. You will understand in later, in the next videos. Okay. Yes, dear. Next comes adverb. Adverb, that is modifying word. Modifies, qualifies every part of speech. Every part of speech except noun, pronoun, and interjection. This adverb modifies each and every part of speech. Each and every parts of speech except noun, pronoun, and interjection. Adverb क्रिया विशेषण इसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में. यह नाउन, प्रोनाउन, इंटरजेक्शन को छोड़ करके जितना भी अंग है सबको मॉडिफाई करता है, विशेषता बतलाता है. जैसे यहाँ पर कुछ दिए गए हैं एडवर्ब. डेली, नाउ, बिफोर, इन, आउट, हियर, देयर, very, no, not, never, what, when, why, how, early, and slowly, etc. There are a list of adverbs. So many adverbs are there. And now, some examples have been given here. He learns daily. Daily here. वह रोज सीखता है. Daily. Learns. Daily learns की वह सीखता है. मगर कैसे सीखता है, कब सीखता है? डेली. यहाँ टाइम दे रहा है. डेली. Daily modifies learns. She walks slowly. वह टहलती है. Slowly, धीरे धीरे. तो धीरे धीरे किसकी विशेषता बतला रहा है? टहलने की, walks की. तो slowly modifies walks. Next, she walks very slowly. वह टहलती है बहुत धीरे धीरे. वह टहलती है. Adverb, right? फिर walks very slowly. Slowly means धीरे से, धीरे धीरे, and very बहुत धीरे धीरे. It means ये very भी एडवर्ब है. एक एडवर्ब दूसरे एडवर्ब को मॉडिफाई करता है. ये वेरी इसको मॉडिफाई कर दिया. यहाँ स्लोली मॉडिफाई किया वर्ब को. ये एडवर्ब स्लोली एडवर्ब and walks here verb modifies walks. Here you see adverb, if he adverb, so this adverb modifies this adverb. Very modifies slowly. Adverb. In this way you see here adverb modifies each and every part of speech except noun, pronoun and interjection. Next comes that is preposition. Pre plus position. Pre means पहले, position स्थिति अवस्थिति. Noun or pronoun. Just before noun or pronoun, this preposition is used and it establishes or shows relation with other noun or pronoun. नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बीच में संबंध स्थापित करता है. ये प्रीपोजिशन उसे ठीक पहले यूज हो जाएगा. कुछ प्रीपोजिशंस लिस्ट दिया गया है. एट, बाय, फॉर, इन, आउट, ऑन, विद, बिफोर, इनटू, टू, फ्रॉम, बिटवीन, अमंग, फॉर, सिंस, एटसेट्रा. देयर आर सो मेनी prepositions. Okay, so some examples have been given here. The book is on the table. On the table. टेबल नाउन, बुक नाउन. रिलेशन देखिए. द बुक इज कैसे रिलेशन हो रहा है, कैसे पोजीशन बता रहा है. पोजीशन. द बुक इज ऑन द टेबल. टेबल पर बुक है. अगर इसको हम गायब कर दें, देखिए जरा. द बुक इज द टेबल. किताब ही टेबल है, लेकिन ये ऑन क्या बता रहा है. Just before noun, it has been used. That the book is on the table. Table object preposition क्या है ये बता रहा है. तो preposition, that is preposition. On preposition. Next example. Come before me. मेरे से पहले आओ. Come before me. मेरे से पहले आओ. Before. Me here pronoun. Okay, right? अब before pronoun से पहले before लगा. मेरे से पहले आओ. अगर इसको गायब कर दें, देखिए क्या होता है. come me, meaningless. It is meaningless expression. No sentence, it is incorrect. Come before me. Meet me at 7 p.m. So likely other sentence here has been written. Meet me, मुझसे मिलाओ at 7 p.m. 7 बजे मुझसे मिलाओ. At just before noun. 7 भी एक नाउन है. इस तरह लिख दिया गया तो 7 हो गया. इसका नाम धर दिया हम लोगों ने, इसका 8 धर दिया. सो इट इज नाउन. ओके. नेक्स्ट. आई लिव इन कानपुर. मैं कानपुर में रहता हूं. इन जस्ट बिफोर नाउन. कानपुर नाउन हियर से पहले इन लगा है. आई लिव इन कानपुर. मैं कानपुर में रहता हूं. गो टू दिल्ली. दिल्ली जाओ. अब इसको अगर टू को गायब कर दे, गो दिल्ली मीन्स मीनिंगलेस, कन्वेज नो मीनिंग, राइट मीनिंग. तो गो टू दिल्ली, दिल्ली जाओ. इन दिस वे हियर you see. Now these are the prepositions. Prepositions are generally used just before noun or pronoun and it shows a relation in noun and pronoun, in between noun and noun or in between pronoun and pronoun, etc. And the relation, it shows a relation between or with other noun or pronoun. Next comes that is conjunction. Conjunction means it is now function of conjunction is to connect. It connects or joins words or sentences together. Two words or more than two words, sentences, more than two sentences are brought together by joining. And these are the linkers, connectors. to join two or more than two sentences or words, etc. If, that, and, but, what, when, why, where, how, who, as, when, as, if, because, as soon as, for, otherwise, still, till, until, before, after, since. These are the connectors, and these connectors combined two sentences, more than two sentences into one. Example has been given here, Ram and Shyam, and this is now connected. Ram and Rahim eat the same food. Ram और रहीम वही एक ही भोजन समान ही भोजन करते हैं, खाते हैं. I know, मैं जानता हूँ, क्या चीज? That. Connector here, he is sick, वह बीमार है. Do as I command, do करो, as जैसा कि, I command, मैं command करता हूँ, वैसा ही करो. She is poor, वह गरीब है, but, परंतु, wise, बुद्धिमान है. So here you see and, that, as, and, but, now connecting two sentences into one. क्लास में आप पढ़ते समय इनका हर एक इंडिविजुअल कनेक्टर का प्रयोग हम सीखेंगे, समझेंगे. नेक्स्ट, एंड दैट इज द लास्ट, ओके, इंटरजेक्शन. Interjection, now it is now sudden feeling or emotions expressed with the help of these words such as hello, hooray, alas, oh, bravo, what, haha, oh. These are the words expressing what does this word does expressing joy, grief, sorrow, surprise, address, attention, approval. इंटरजेक्शन क्या करता है कि जब जॉय आनंद हो, ग्रीफ कष्ट हो, दुख हो, सारो कष्ट दुख हो, सरप्राइज आश्चर्य, एड्रेस संबोधन हो, या ध्यान आकर्षण करना है, अटेंशन, या अप्रूवल संस्तुति देना है, तो इन शब्दों का हम प्रयोग करते हैं. जैसा रहेगा उसी हिसाब से हम इसका यूज करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल्स हैव बीन गिवन हियर. अलास, दुख की बात है. ही इज डेड नाउ, ओ मर गया. इज डेड नाउ. अलास संबोधन का चिन्ह लगेगा, मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन. हुर्रे, खुशी की बात होती है तब इसका प्रयोग होगा. वी वॉन द मैच, हमने मैच जीत लिया, हम मैच जीत गए, तो यहाँ पर खुशी है इसलिए हुर्रे लगे. व्हाट, यहाँ सरप्राइज लग रहा है. What a beautiful flower it is, क्या खूबसूरत फूल है. In this way, dear, you see here in interjection is a word that expresses sudden feelings or emotions. Sudden feelings and emotions are expressed, okay, using interjection. In case there is a joy, grief, sorrow, surprise, address, attention, approval, etc. In these cases, now interjection is used, okay, as per meaning, as per sense, as per our mood and temperament. Interjections are used. Okay, dear, wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.